In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom search engine in Google Chrome, a fantastic way to streamline your browsing experience and tailor it to suit your unique needs. Custom search engines allow you to create shortcuts for searching specific sites directly from the Chrome address bar, saving both time and effort. To begin this process, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to ensure it's updated to the latest version to make sure all your settings are up to date and accessible. Now, look towards the top right corner of your browser window where you'll spot the three-dot menu icon. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll select Settings. This is your central hub for customizing Chrome. Once you've entered the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and locate Search Engine. By clicking on this, you'll open a section dedicated to controlling how searches are performed in Chrome and the search engines you use. The next step is to select Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This option is crucial because it allows you to oversee existing search engines and craft new ones tailored to your preferences. Now, scroll down to find Site Search, where next to it, you'll notice the option to Add. Clicking Add will bring up a form asking for specific details about the search engine you wish to incorporate. Here's where you'll be entering all the relevant information. Start by typing in the name of the search engine you want to add. Let's say, for instance, you want to add YouTube. Simply type YouTube in the field provided. The second field you'll fill out is for the shortcut. This is a keyword that you will type into the address bar to quickly switch your search engine. In this example, let's use YT as a simple and recognizable shortcut for YouTube. Lastly, you'll need to add the URL for the search engine with a slight modification. This should include the placeholder %, where your search query will substitute. For YouTube, the URL should look something like this: https://www.youtube.com/results search/query %. With all the details entered accurately, hit Add. This step saves the configuration you've just set, integrating your customized search engine into Chrome's system. To make it even more convenient, find your newly added search engine in the list. There's a three-dot menu right beside it. Click this and select Make Default. By doing this, you're setting your custom engine, in this case YouTube, as the primary search endpoint for any queries you enter directly into the address bar. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom search engine in Google Chrome. Now, with just a few keystrokes, you can swiftly direct your searches where you want them to go, making for a faster and more efficient online exploration.